Today I decided to grease the parts of my riding lawnmower that needs to be greased. So there's 5 points on this machine. 1, 2, 6, 7 points. This is a Husqvarna YTH 2348, but it will probably apply to most of the other lawn tractors. There's one spot here, right? You need to get a grease gun and some good grease, lithium grease probably. One here, there's one inside here, two, there's two on the other side, one here, one on the other side, so that's 6. And the steering mechanism right under here. You also need to put some grease under here, right? You probably have to get all the way under, yeah, to grease that part too. Right, and that's it. So you need to put it in 7 points. Especially, you probably need to do it more often when you have a lot of dust and dirt. So for instance, we live in an area where there's a lot of sand, and I typically do it every year. At the same time, I change the filter, I change the oil, and I just give it a general cleaning. You could even polish it up, make it look a bit better. And that's it. So just remember that, right? Also remember your tire inflation pressures. If you have uneven cutting on the lawn, like the front tire on this is 14 psi, the ones on the back are 10 psi. So you're going to want to remember to keep these pressured. Probably every few months when you're doing your car tires, you might want to just come and have a look at these. All right? And that's it. Let me know if you have any suggestions or any comments.